Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. I have a giant box here. It didn't fit underneath the camera very well, so I'm gonna take it down. But it's full of the new back to school release stuff from the Happy Planner. So if you'd like to see me open this box, keep watching. Okay, the way I like to do this is I like to open it with you guys and you get my first reactions. I did like undo this and I took a peek, but I'm just gonna take this off and just pull out one thing at a time because I have not done that yet. So let me get this big thing off the desk. Ugh. All right. Ugh. That's a heavy box. Let's just grab stuff and start putting it out. Okay. First up. And again, this is the back to school release, so we're gonna have teacher and student stuff. This whole collection that I'm going to show you releases on the Happy Planner website on Tuesday, May 3rd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. I will put a link in the description box. I would really appreciate it if you'd use my affiliate link. It helps me out so much and it's of no cost to you. You just click the link, it goes right to the site. You can shop as normal. You can use your reward points, whatever, but I do get a little bit of a commission. So that really helps every time. So thank you for using those in the past. Okay. So this is again, all like back to school stuff. So you've got your teacher stuff, your student stuff, but the good thing about the teacher and student stuff is sometimes you can use that, for other things. I use the teacher and student sticker books all the time, and I am not a teacher or a student. I am kind of a teacher, I guess, but not in the traditional sense. So we have the Schoolwork Organizer, which looks interesting, okay? It does. It looks interesting. It says holds artwork, projects, and special keepsakes. Nice. Includes expander discs, and it looks like it includes dividers, sheet protectors, snap-in tabs, a sticker sheet. Very cool. I'll do separate flip throughs on some of this stuff. I will probably do one on this. I'm not sure though. Okay, that looks neat though. All right, let's see. I have a lot to get through. We've got some Disney stuff. I'm not going to do it in order because I'm just pulling it out, you guys. So we have an Undated Teacher extension pack, the Disney version. Okay, that includes stickers, folder, Undated monthly and weekly calendar pages. And these are good if you want to, extend your planner or use it before it starts. So say you have a July start planner and you want to use it in January, you can, you know what I mean? So extension packs are good. Let's see, I'm just pulling stuff out randomly. Oh boy, we have stickers. I'm gonna do all the stickers at the end. I know, you hate that probably, but it is what it is. That's the sticker is the big finale at the end, all the stickers. Ooh, look at this. So it is a planner pouch. Let's check it out. So we have a gold zipper here. This is a nylon pouch. This is really cute. So inside there's a pocket on that side, and then there's two pockets on this side. It's nice stripy material inside. It's slick, it's washable. It's really pretty. It has those Happy Planner flowers. Let's see if a planner fits in there. I think it will. I have a Happy Notes here, but it's the same size as a classic Happy Planner. Let's just check it out. Yep. So it will fit your classic Happy Planner, your mini Happy Planners, your skinny classic Happy Planners, that type of thing, but it will not fit a big. I don't take my big anywhere anyway. It's too big. It sits on my desk. Okay, that's really cute. I love that color, It's hard. I'm trying to find places to put stuff. Okay. Let's see. We have some note paper, everyday notes. That's really cute. With those like letters with the florals. We have some Villains. Oh, that was classic, by the way. We have some Villains classic paper here with, what's his face? Why do I always forget their names? It's been a while since I've watched Disney movies, you guys. I'm sure when I become a grandma, I'm going to be watching more of them. Okay, now we have Ursula. I know that one. Feeling Wicked. So this is an undated vertical extension pack, classic size. And it looks like this. Again, we've got the stickers, the folders, the calendar pages, all that. Now we have a Disney Teacher Planner Accessory Pack. This video and all of the flip through videos that I've done are going to be coming out like at the same time. So you're going to see it all now. So after you watch this, you can go watch the flip throughs that you want. And then if there's anything I'm missing, let me know. What is this? Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so we have a block notepad. This is cool. I like this format. So we have the days of the week and then just notes. So if you're somebody who really needs visuals, as I am, this is great. Actually, I'll take this out because I feel like the light is like shining down on everything and all you see is like shiny paper. Is that true? Don't answer that because I'll know when I do it. Okay. So you just rip it off. You just write on it and rip it off and it sits on your desk. Very nice. I like that. I like that idea. You know, if I had room on my desk, I'd probably use it. I don't know. I might. Bubble wrap. I won't pop it. It will hurt your ears. But we'll open it. All right. It is shining. Wait, let me turn off this light. It might be a little darker, but then we won't get as much shine. That's probably better. We have the teacher planner. It's classic size with other stuff in it. So it's like a planner kit. If that's what they call it, I don't know. All of these planners are going to run from August of 2022 to July of 2023 because they are teacher planners. So they're dated for the school year. I love the color palette in this one, lots of greens and stuff. So that's the teacher layout, which is very useful even if you're not a teacher. There's lots of different ways to use that. We have some a snap-in bookmark, sticky notes. I don't know why I said it like that. Sticky notes, dry erase board, 71 stickers, and a planner. So I'll probably do a flip through of that. Let's get the shiny stuff out of the way so that I can turn my light back on. Okay. Actually, that might be the last shiny thing, but let's see. We've got some planners and a lot of bubble wrap. I'm sorry. We have a vertical layout, 12-month. Why am I speaking this way? we have a vertical classic, classic vertical happy planner. Yes, that is what it is, Mary Ellen. It's the Villains, so that looks kind of cool. Ooh, I like these discs. They're plastic, but they're like, what kind of like color would that be called? Like gunmetal or like, I don't know. I like that color. It's like a real charcoal gray, maybe. Looks cute. We have, okay, so this is the new study habits layout. I did hear about this, but I haven't looked at it yet. So this is going to be interesting to do a flip through of. It's a different layout. It helps obviously improve study habits. It's for students and it looks like this. Just to get a quick sneak peek. So that's that. That's classic size. A lot of classic planners in this box. Next we have Wild and Beautiful, a 12-month vertical classic. And another Villains is coming at you. This is a Happy Notes. Good to be bad. Looks like that. I love Happy Notes notebooks. I use them for everything. Even just to like scribble notes down in. I have some like wild ones that are full of just like notes like a mad scientist. I know. Okay, now let's go to the big planners here. We have Teachers Have Class, a 12-month teacher planner. Big, with gold plastic discs. Not really my fave, but it'll do. It looks good with the green. We have a big Minnie Mouse Happy Notes notebook. This is dotted lined paper. Okay, now let's get to the stickers. We have a lot to get through. What I'll do with the stickers is like just give you a quick like flippity flip. I'm gonna turn my light on. I'm gonna give you a little quick flip through real quick, and then I'm gonna do separate ones for these sticker books. I have a couple of bigger, let's do these first. Let's separate them into like Disney and regular. Okay, so I'll do the Disney ones. So we have 4 Disney sticker books here. This one is Whimsy Teacher. So we have some like classic, ooh, that was a cute page. Wait, I just want to see that one page because I like the way it was laid out. Yeah, with Minnie and Mickey in it and like the doodle. Oh, those doodles are so cute. I love that. Okay. So, ooh, that one was, sorry. That's cool. All right, I'm not gonna do that anymore. It's a primary color palette with like other little colors thrown in like that lavender and stuff. So, ooh, this is really cute. I like it because there's doodles in it, and you know I really love doodles. So that appeals to me. We have a villainous book. So this is a new villain sticker book. I have the other ones. This is different. And this one I like better. Oh, Scar, that's his name. I think Mufasa was the good guy. Sorry. I love this one. I love it better. I'm not a big holographic fan, you know, and the other one had a lot of holographic stickers. I really like this. Ooh, I like that. And I'm not like a crazy Disney villains person, but like that really appealed to me too. Ooh, we're gonna have some big doodles in this one. So those are the value packs. This is like the large size sticker book, they're calling it. I love this size sticker book. I'm really enjoying these. Really cute. And then we have, ooh, that one got a boo-boo. The villains. Ooh, that's fun. That page. Nice. Okay, so those are the Disney ones. Let's see the other ones. So I have 5 other ones that are like the teacher sticker books. So Mint to Teach. That's, ooh, mint. I love mint colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I love this color palette so much. I'm really a pastel girl at heart, kind of, usually. Ooh, and that yellow is like my favorite kind of yellow that exists on the earth. Like that exact yellow is like my very favorite. So I like that. Really cute. Nice yellow boxes. Yay. Okay. And now we have Belle Fleur. I probably pronounced that wrong. It's French. You know. Ooh. Ooh, this is different. This is a nice color palette too. Ooh. This looks nice. It's pretty. It's very elegant. Oh, look what I found. That's the piece of the villain's book that had the boo-boo. I should paste it back on and save him. All right, sticker books don't have feelings. What am I saying? Teacher's Rule. There's another one called Teacher's Rule. Why are you doing me dirty like that, Happy Planner? I don't like that. It messes me up. I think there's another one called Teacher's Rule. Okay. Ooh, wavy. Funky, right? It's a funky teacher sticker book. Kind of retro. Kind of 70s. Ooh, look at those. Look at those. Ooh. It's a wiggly pencil. Nice. Ooh, I like this. It's kind of like doodly too. That's really cool. Okay, we have Modern Bookish. Ooh, I heard about this one and This one looks really interesting because you know I love like those real photo stickers. There's a bunch in this, I think. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is exciting. Newsprint. Books. I love books. Oh my gosh. I love libraries. I love bookstores. I love the smell of books. I love reading books. Although I'm not reading anything currently. That's really cool. And look, these little like real photos. Oh my gosh, so cute. I will go in through all these in detail on those other videos. And then we have Groovy Teacher. Last but not least, the Groovy. Oh, this looks really good. I'm gonna like this one too. Ooh. Nothing like a page full of sparkles. Nice. This has a groovy vibe too. Look at those. Oh, please have 2 of those pages. Please. No, unless they're somewhere else. Look at the pens though. They're like Paper Mate flares. Ooh, really cool colors. Like, oh, I like it. Oh, okay. Picasso. Ooh, really cool. Oh my gosh, this has like, I can't. This is really cute. Has almost like a girl power vibe a little bit. You know, I love that sticker book. Okay, so that is everything. Thank you, Happy Planner, for sending me all of that wonderful stuff. I'm really excited about it. So check out my other flip throughs. Don't forget the release is Tuesday at 9 a.m. Pacific. Yeah, it's going to be a really good release. I'm excited for this one. So let me know in the comments what you're most excited for, and I'll see you in my next video. And please, please use my affiliate link. Please, please, please. Or if you don't use my link, use someone else's. Just use a link because it really is a good way to help your favorite content creators. So thank you for that. And I will see you soon. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.